Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, yesterday we learned about the Gutenberg press. Today we will learn the wood block print. Wood block print. Before the Gutenberg press, there was the routine print culture, that was the things were written on the wood blocks. This wood block system too was invented in the Chinese first, and it reached to Europe after a long time in 1295. Woodblock print was invented around the 6th century in China. It was in the 6th century, and today we are in 21st century. It means before 1500 years, this woodblock print was invented by the Chinese. It came to Europe along with Marco Polo, the great explorers, the great philosophers, the educationists who were in search of knowledge, who were in search of explorations, and one among them was the Marco Polo. He brought this print system from China to Europe in 1295. Marco Polo returned to Italy after many years of exploration in China, and he brought the knowledge of woodblock print with him on his return. The Marco Polo, the great explorer who spent a lot of time in China and learned the print system on wood blocks in China. After getting a full knowledge, full usage of these wood blocks and the system of print, he went to his own continent, Europe. In this way, the system of print was started in Italy too. On his return, Italians began producing books with wood blocks, and soon the technology spread to other parts of Europe. Before 1295 AD, manuscripts were written by scribes all over Europe. Manuscripts, are the written documents which are written by hand on paper, on wood, on these oleo leaves, on these stone sheets, etc. There was the usage of these manuscripts, the handwritten documents, before the woodblock print, not only in China but throughout the world. Here we too had these manuscripts, when we learned about the past history of Mesolithic period, the Neolithic period, we have various proofs of written documents, manuscripts, like we have these Burzahama, and we have these sheets, these stone sheets in of the Buddhist period, and the archaeologists have found them in Harvan. Like that, these proofs of manuscripts, there was the same style of writing throughout the world before the wood block print. So it was first the wood block print that paved the path for the print culture, and later on the press was invented by Gutenberg. In this way, the system that was introduced by Chinese came throughout the world, and the system of writing became easier, and the explorers, the educationists, and the philosophers took the advantage of this print technology and published and printed various books, not only for their own nation but the whole world. So, dear students, it was our today's topic. Let's go ahead, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.